Hello and welcome to my channel. This is My Life for Hire, and today I'm gonna show you this new book I just got. A Short History of England by Simon Jenkins. So the reason I got this book is because I'm watching some TV shows, Vikings, The Last Kingdom, and all these TV shows just make me grow interested in English history, and I want to know more about the story, about the characters in the story, about the background, about the place they lived in, and yeah, it's fascinating, and that's why I bought this book. Ordered it online, just arrived today. It says £5 off, it's on discount. So even though it's a big book, it's actually a condensed version of the whole history of England. So actually the content itself, it's really watered down. As you can see here, the font is huge, and you get pictures, which is nice. You get pictures, but the font is huge, and you have a lot of blank space, which means you don't get as much content as you could imagine from a huge book like this. It's also heavy, so I would imagine a book like full of words here like this, but instead I got a picture book for kids. Just kidding, no. But yeah, this is not so detailed, but I think it's gonna be a very nice guideline, like outline, you know, this kind of book to show you the clue from where it began to where it hasn't ended yet. It's not going to end very soon, but to the modern time, to contemporary time, to today. So it's going to be very interesting. Along the way, I can just look up on Wikipedia. Actually, I'm already looking up stuff. There are so many terms, so many names, so many locations that I don't know. So I have to look up on Wikipedia all the time when I read this. Even though when I was reading the introduction. So it's very, very nice. Having some quality educational time for myself. I really enjoy that. I really enjoy reading books and learn some knowledge. Haven't had this feeling for a long time. Like last time I read a history book, I was in school. That was many years ago. Yeah, I miss this feeling, and I really want to learn more about this world, about the past. Yeah, and also maybe I will pick up some other books along the way, like, because this book is not so detailed. Like each chapter is a huge chunk of history, a few centuries maybe. So it's very rough history. You don't see a lot of details, and you don't see a lot of stories. It just tell you what happened. What's the most important thing that happened, and how the country was formed, and whatever. So along the way, maybe I'll pick up some other books to study the specifics about a specific period. Yeah, that's my thoughts. That's my initial thoughts on this book. It's very huge, but I suppose it's going to be an easy read. If I really sit down and read, it's gonna cost me only a few days. But considering that I have to look up all those stuff, the names, the terms, the places, the cities, it's gonna take a lot more time than I imagined. So, alright, that's it. That's this update, and yeah, it's awesome. I can't wait to get more free times. Tonight I just read a tiny little bit. I read the introduction. I read the first few pages of a Saxon Dawn, about how Anglo-Saxons are invading Britannia. Yeah. Not even halfway through, but it's not too much. Probably read a little bit more before I go to sleep. So anyway, that's it for this update, and I will see you next time in another not a vlog. Thanks for watching. This is the book. Ouch.